Yeah, fitting the bearing oil shields, I think they're called. But there's a right way and a wrong way. Now, you'll note there's a little dimple there. That dimple goes down and fits into the gap in the circlip there. And stops the shield from rotating.
So basically, we're just heating the crankcase up just the front bit? Or?
Well, I try and get around it as far as I can, but it is aluminium, so and the heat transfer is pretty good. Again, it's hard to know exactly what temperature you've got it up to. Just the spit bubble test. Right, that's definitely up to temperature. Time to slot the crank in, long shaft down. It will go in the other way round. Right, clunk, that's what you're listening for. That's in and home.
Okay, so the old, yeah, that's it. And it helps you've got a specially crafted stand, doesn't it? So you know that's the right height to hold it up.
Yeah.